Hello, we have to made simple to-do backend using Express.js. In this project, we have to support for endpoints, create to-do, which creates to-do by using post request, get all the to-dos that we are created. The endpoint is to-dos and the method is get because we get all the to-dos were created. Update the to-dos. Endpoint is update to-dos. The method is put because we are updating the to-do specific to-do by id. Delete to-dos, delete to-do endpoint, and it deletes to-do. The method is delete and the delete to-do by id. First of all, npm init -y to initialize the project, and then npm install express, then creates index.js file. That's it. Let's start the code. Const express is equals to require express. Then we have to initialize the app instance by calling express. Then we have to listen. We have to listen over port 3000 and console.log. The server is listening listening, maybe spelling mistake, listening on port 3000. Okay, then first agenda is create the to-dos, which is post request. So app dot post, the route is create to do create to do. Okay, then request response. Okay, also we need app dot use express.json because we are using the body to parse the data. If we don't use this, we can't accept the body from the request. Okay, first endpoint is done. Then other endpoint is app dot get get all the to-dos request response. This is endpoint to get all the to-dos, and how do we copy? Yes, get mm, get complete update and delete. Update is put and delete. Delete. uh, Route is update to do, and here the delete to do route is delete to do. Is that correct? Okay. Update to do, delete to do. Okay. So first create create a global to do's array, which is an empty array, and let to do id will be 0, and then we can iterate one by one after created to do. First we need to accept the title and description from the to do, so that const title and description from request.query. We accept title and description, then we to do, then we push that title and description into the to do's array, where id is to do id, then title is title, description is description. Okay, title is title, then description. Okay, correct. Then response.json message to do created successfully. Okay, correct. Then we have to get all the to do's. To get all the to do's, we just want to response.json all to do's is to do's. Correct. Let's test it first. Clear node index.js. Let's see. We go to the postman to test it. First we have to create the to do, the local host colon 3000 slash create to do, where body is in the form of JSON. Request dot body title title go to gym, then RIP description, go to gym at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Okay, then it's JSON format, it's raw data. Why it is not like let's see if it works. Request.body, title and description. Sorry. Okay. Okay. It works maybe. No. Yes. To-do created. We create another to-do. Okay. Now we get all the to-dos. So to-dos. Yo. Title. Console.log title. अरे यार go to gym, to do is created successfully. Okay. So why we are getting problem with to-dos? Okay, correct. Our this endpoint is works successfully. Okay. Okay. We are not what? I to-do ID. We are not doing to-do ID plus plus because now it works correctly. Now it works correctly. It works correctly now. Then ID 0, 1, 2. Correct. It works. Create and get to-dos are done. Create and get to-dos are done. This is done. I mean this is done and sorry, this is done. We have to update to-do and delete the to-do. Next, to update the to-do we need ID of that to-do. How we get ID? Const to-do ID is equals to request dot query dot to-do ID and const dot request dot query dot to-do ID. Once we get ID, then we find the to-dos dot in the to-dos array dot find to-dos dot find value value dot id is equal to to-do id. We have to find that. If else, if to-do is not found, then response.json message to-do is not found to update. Else to-do is found. Else we need to remove that to-do. Then to remove the to-dos dot sp splice start number to-do id to-do dot id delete count 1. To-do should be deleted. Then we also want to update the to-do const title description from request dot body then to after catching the title and description, we have to push that title and description with the to-do array into the to-dos array. To-dos dot push to-dos dot push id should be what? Id should be to-do dot id. Okay, then title should be title, then description should be description. Then okay, response.json message to-do is updated successfully. Okay, okay, update has been done. Let's see update is done or not. We need to restart the server. First we need to create the to-do. 8 9 10. I created 3 to-dos. First we get I want to update this to-do with id2. So put request update to-do. Update to-do, is that route correct? Update to-do correct. In the params what is it is a to-do id. To-do id to-do id is 2. I want to update that. It food eat food at 2 p.m. whatever. food. नको eat food at 2 p.m. To-do is updated successfully. So eat food at 2 a.m. Correct. Update to-do is done. Delete to-do. To delete the to-do, we have to get the, of course, to-do ID. To-do ID. To-do ID from request.query.to-do ID. Then we have to find that to-do from to-do's array. Value dot id is equal to to-do id. Remember, this is a number and this is an string which is given from this. Whatever request id given to us, it is in the form of string, and when I hover that, it says it is string. And okay, if to-do is not found, then do what? Response.json message to-do is not found to delete. Okay, if to-do is found, then to-do's dot splice start number to-do dot id case start delete count 1. Response.json message to-do is deleted successfully. Okay, let's test that fastly. To-do is created 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, get all the to-dos. Suppose I want to delete this to-do with id 2. 11 to-do with id 2. Okay, so the request is delete parenthesis to-do id value is 2 because I want to delete this to-do, which this to-do it will be deleted, and delete to-do, the path is this. To-do is deleted successfully. id to-do is deleted. See, correct. Suppose we try to delete other to-do that is never exist. To-do is not found to delete, which is correct. Thank you for watching. This is on the code. Thank you.